In this video, we're going to learn how to use the touch type tool, which could be replacing all these options within our character panel and allowing us to control each and every character of our world. So we can be showing the touch type tool in our character panel by going to that menu and show touch type tool, and it will be existing within your character panel, or you can be selecting that tool from here by right clicking under the type tool, and you can find it in here or using Shift T. And once you have that tool selected, you can be selecting any letter and you can start moving that letter around, maybe enlarging that letter a little bit, or you can be changing its baseline shift up or down, or change its kerning, maybe like that. You can move your letter freely, or even you can be rotating your letter all the way, maybe like that. And you can be using that tool maybe to create some interesting effect, or maybe for a logo design. I'm gonna be reducing that one a little bit, maybe like that. And you can do the same as well, maybe to that letter in here, and so on, maybe for these letters, or even selecting that one in here, and you can be increasing its scaling all the way like that. And maybe selecting that O letter, move it away a little bit like that. Then pressing Command or Control, selecting the entire word and move it maybe like that. And of course, you can be creating even more with that tool. So you can start experimenting with that tool within Adobe Illustrator and see how creative you can get with that one.